Hi, my name is Draupadi, and I had a beautiful sound healing session with Eeshira yesterday evening in the yurt. And yeah, it was quite amazing actually. When she started, I really felt this very gentle vibration running through my body, running through all the cells in my body. And as she changed the tuning forks, the vibrations got stronger. So it really felt as if my whole cellular structure was being kind of spring cleaned and dusted and realigned. And then I got to the point where I was so relaxed, I just kept kind of popping off, and I think I was kind of going, and then I was waking myself up, kind of dropping off. And at the end of it, I don't know where I went, but I went somewhere really amazing. I really felt, the different resonances of the forks. And I just felt incredibly filled with light. And just very, very clear, very, as if I'd had my whole body sort of spring cleaned, really. And later on, I did a ceremony, and it was I was actually quite nervous beforehand because I'd got a card that said courage, so I thought it's probably going to be very strong and it might be a bit kind of scary, but I was actually so relaxed that I was able to switch off completely, and I actually slept. And it's the first time I've actually managed to do that during a ceremony, and I've really been able to allow the medicine to do its work without my mind, without anything. And today I just feel absolutely awesome. And my friend just arrived about an hour ago, and she said, "My God, Draupadi, you just look like so young." So it's like, yeah, it's obviously shifted an awful lot of stuff.
That's great. Okay, well, thank you so much.
Thank you.